Courage House Vice Captain. Finally, Best House of the Year goes to Courage House. It will be received by G. Brindavan of Standard 12.
Right now.
Thank you, sir.
நாம் இப்போது ஒரு அமைதியான இயற்கை சூழலை மேடையில் காணப்போகிறோம். புல்வெளியின் மீது உறங்கும் பனித்துளிகள் இங்கு சூரியன் எழுப்பும் காட்சியினை காண்போமா?
Calm our thoughts. Our junior girls are waiting to lead us to a place where we can hear the rippling of water and feel the cool breeze.
slices of ham, sausages, butter, toasted bread, scrambled eggs and jam.
Very well, ma'am. I'll have it ready in a moment.
Thank heaven for this.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Linda.
Good morning, folks.
Good morning, Robin.
Is breakfast ready? I'm hungry.
You are always hungry. Just tell me when you're not hungry.
It's my stomach, not yours.
Now you two, stop bickering.
Good morning, everyone. Here's your breakfast.
Good morning, Lucy.
Thank you, Lucy.
Thank you, Lucy.
Ma'am,
Yes, Lucy.
is there anything else?
Thank you, Lucy. You make life so very easy for me.
You have been a sweet and kind mistress. It's a pleasure serving you.
Oh, really? Thank you, Lucy.
I love the way Lucy fries the sausages. Yummy. Her toasts are the best, with little bit of butter on both sides.
She is the best housekeeper and cook you could ever have, dear.
I know, and I thank God every day for Lucy.
Mom, can you help me?
Yes, dear. Now, all of you hurry up. You two, you know that your dad has to drop both of you and go to his office. Finish up your breakfast and quickly take your bags and run to the car.
I'm ready, Mom. Bye, Mom.
Bye,
Mom,
Dad.
hurry up. Wait, just a minute. I'm coming.
Bye, Robin.
Bye, Mom.
Here's your briefcase, Ray. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you, dear.
Ma'am?
Yes, Lucy.
I want to go to my sister's place. Her daughter is getting married. So I want 1 week's leave. I have never taken so many days off before. But this time I would like to spend some time with my sister.
1 week is quite a long time, Lucy. How will I manage without you? I have become so very dependent on you.
Don't worry, ma'am. I will cook food for a week and keep it in the fridge. You can heat up what you need for lunch and dinner.
That would be great. You're always very thoughtful and considerate.
Thank you, ma'am. Now let me rush off and buy all I shall need to cook for a whole week.
Here, this should do, I think.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Did Lucy leave in time to catch a bus?
She did that. I dropped her at the bus stand myself.
Good.
You know, Ray, Lucy has been working faithfully and lovingly for us from the time Linda and Robin were tiny tots. We have to do something to show that we appreciate her services. What about doing up a living quarters while she's away?
That's a good idea.
Let's paint her room. We can buy bedspreads and curtains to match. That's a fantastic suggestion.
I will send some workers tomorrow to paint her room. Thelma dear, I'm sure you can take care of the other details.
Of course I will. I'm sure Lucy will be thrilled when she comes back. It would be a very pleasant surprise indeed and a wonderful gift. Come on, Linda. Let's take a look at Lucy's room. Look, Mom, what I have found under Lucy's mattress. Show me. 2,000 pounds. Oh, she must have saved most of the money she was paid over the last year. But how unsafe to keep the whole lot at home, and that too under a mattress? I shall keep this with me and put it back before she returns.
I know what we can do. We'll ask her to put her money into the bank. I shall also explain to her what she's doing is not wise or safe.
Yes, you should do that, dear.
Poor thing, she must have saved every penny. When she comes back, we will ask her to deposit her money into the bank. Her savings will be safe there, and it will also get some interest on her amount.
You should explain to her the advantages of keeping her money in a bank, Dad.
Don't worry, I will do that.